As soon as I landed in the beautiful land of Tasmania, I noticed their mantra: explore the possibilities. This felt like a perfect sign for me, as the idea of possibility has been a core part of my own value system. On October 30, I headed to a street near Launceston College where I met the wonderful Renee and Tom from Young Change Agents. Along with global scholars attending the E3 Unconference, we received a warm welcome with thoughtful gifts and then headed to the beautiful Launceston College for the professional development workshop. The workshop focused on design thinking and was facilitated by Renee and Tom. We dove into a design challenge, fully engaging in the process and connecting with international guests and fellow scholars.
With beautiful vegan cheese on top.
It was a fantastic way to experience firsthand how this method encourages creativity and problem solving. We also toured the historic Launceston College, taking in its stunning architecture and learning about its rich history. The day continued with 4 hour deep dive into design thinking, which concluded with us pitching our ideas to experts from Young Change Agents.
And of course, for the services, whether you need a coach or you want your.
As the day ended, I was left with a powerful realization: design thinking isn't just a tool, it's a transformational approach that can help us address the challenge we face every day. With this powerful reflection, I began my second day in Launceston at the University of Tasmania, ready for the E3 Unconference. The event kicked off with an inspiring speech by the young and energetic Mayor Matthew Gorwood.
For Launceston, we've
Over the course of the 3 day Unconference, we had 76 educators, 8 global educators, 7 youth council members, and 27 on-conference sessions. It was an incredible gathering of passionate minds, all united by the goal of exploring and implementing entrepreneurial education. On the fourth day, we explored the beautiful city of Launceston with my dear friend Mark Gleeson kindly driving us around to visit stunning city sights. As the conference concluded, my Rotary host family organized a heartfelt farewell dinner in true Aussie BBQ style. It was a perfect way to wrap up this unforgettable journey. I'd like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to Winston, Maryland, Winnie, Christine, and Sapana Didi for their incredible hospitality. Thank you to everyone who made my Launceston journey so memorable.